Hey guys, here is the best method on how to turn off Zen on YouTube TV. So, if the Zen mode on YouTube TV is interrupting your viewer experience, you can easily turn this off. So first, open up the YouTube TV app, right? Launch the YouTube TV app on your device, and then you want to go ahead and access the settings menu. So navigate to the profile icon or the settings gear, okay, in the top right corner of the screen. Then you want to scroll through the settings, okay, menu, and then locate the Zen mode option. Okay, this might be under playback settings or preferences depending on your app version. And if Zen mode is enabled, you just want to toggle it off by clicking the switch. Okay, and some versions of the app might require you to go ahead and click Save Settings to confirm the changes. Just exit the settings menu and return to your video playback. And with Zen mode turned off, you can now enjoy YouTube TV without distractions or restrictions. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.